if you told me just 2 years back, if I would have landed more than, good 10 offers with more than 120, 130% of salary jump, I would definitely would have laughed off. Yet I'm here with a living proof that the right guidance always changes everything. What I was, lacking wasn't motivation. It was more of a structure and mentorship which I was looking forward. From day one, all the mentors treated me like a future challenge only. So one of the greatest USP was, the weekly or once the course was over, I had a one-on-one mock interviews with hiring managers and also Rohit sir as well. Rohit sir also shared me a document of basically frequently asked questions of data for a different field. So the feedback was brutally constructive for me, and I was looking exactly what a mock interview, post and mock interview, how it feels. So different capstone projects, including different ML and Gen AI project as well. Every concept was tied to code and the business impact as well. So for me, the learning was very great when it comes to interview, and the mentors were really constructive in giving the feedback. I would say interview stands out because it combines not only your mentors, industry mentors, which have a hiring power and also a network, but also a curriculum that starts at the Python basics and goes up to Gen AI. So and they also have a proven record of getting good alumni out of their course, successful alumni. So different from what I have seen specifically from different courses or industry courses, the way Rohit sir is specifically taking up the classes and also giving the feedback, giving the explanation to each and every concept is really different. And when it comes to the live classes, you have definitely an edge, and a learning experience is different rather than a pre-recorded class. So even I have seen a lot of IIM courses, they have good certification, they have brand and everything, but at the end of the day, they still go for the pre-recorded classes and you just listen to that. So that doesn't give you a value as much as a real live class. I cracked more than 10 offers, but I was eligible was 8 to 9 where I wanted to go, and the highest percentage hike I got was somewhere around 132% from my current pay. Those were 2 were MNCs, 2 were growth stage startups, and 4 were all the banks, top banks in India, and 1 was bureau. So yeah, got a response from all over the basically finance field which I am into. I got an offers from majority of the spectrum. If you are really hungry for data science career, but you are stuck on some house, you should, I would say, stop guessing. Just you should go with Rohit sir's class and enroll for interview program. It will definitely yield you special benefits and give you great results if you definitely focus for what you are looking forward.